Hello beautiful people, welcome to the channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, today I'm gonna make a watermelon juice guys. So right here guys, I already have some cut up started to blend, and so guys, watch the process of how you can make your own juice. You don't have to buy the juice in the store with excess sugar, and when you make your juice from fruits, you get the whole thing. You don't get no added water unless you so choose to add water. So guys, watch the process of how I make my own homemade juice guys. Also, when I finish making this juice, I'm gonna put some in the bottle and put it in my freezer. That's another way I preserve stuff guys. So instead of using all this preservative stuff, I make my stuff, put some in my fridge, and put the rest in my freezer for a later date. So guys, watch the process. Right here guys, I'm blending my fruits. Yes guys, I'm blending the watermelon, and then I'll show you just now guys how I peel this watermelon and continue the process guys. So guys, the rest of this video gonna be silent, so please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your support to helping me grow my channel. Guys, my channel is all about simple stuff that I do on a daily basis. So guys, thank you so much, as I said again, for supporting my channel. Watch the process, take care of yourself until next time, and remember that Jesus loves you and I do too.